You can choose to play this piece either on a pedal or lever harp. You can get the music for both versions from my website. You'll find the link in the description of this video. This arrangement is suitable for a late intermediate player, mostly because you need to use and confidently place all 4 fingers of your right hand, but also because the final tempo of this song is quite lively. However, along with the music for this arrangement, you will find also an easy, slightly shorter version of this piece that you can learn even if you're less advanced. There are 2 lever changes if you play a lever harp, and in case of the pedal harp version there are 2 pedal changes. All these changes happen on the same lever and the same pedal, so if you haven't played any pieces with lever or pedal changes yet, this is the perfect arrangement to get started. It is also possible to make a small adjustment that will allow you to play this piece without any of those changes, so that it also works for a non-lever harp tuned to the key of G major. For that, your F strings need to be tuned to F sharp. You will find this explained in the score. If you enjoyed this piece, leave a like and let me know in the comments. And also be sure to subscribe Coffee Break Harp so you don't miss future videos. I'll see you here soon. Have a lovely time playing.